Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be talking about a delicious and perfect stuffed potato recipe that will surely satisfy your taste buds. Food and beverage is perfect stuffed potato. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need minus for large potatoes, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 2 eggs, beaten, your favorite seasoning. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Wash and peel the potatoes. Cut them into small, evenly sized cubes and set them aside. Step 2. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the milk and bring it to a simmer. Lower the heat and let it simmer for about 10 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. Step 3. Drain the milk and add the cream cheese to the saucepan. Cook it over medium heat until the cream cheese has melted and the sauce has thickened. Step 4. Add the seasoning to the sauce and let it cook for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 5. Now, it's time to stuff the potatoes. Boil the potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes in a large pot of water until they're fork tender. Drain the water and pat them dry with a clean towel. Step 6. Dip each potato into the beaten eggs, then coat them with the seasoned cream cheese mixture. Place them on a baking sheet, ensuring there's space between each one. Step 7. Bake the stuffed potatoes in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they're golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, a delicious and perfect stuffed potato recipe. Serve them as a side dish, a main course, or even as a snack. Enjoy your delicious meal.